In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the limited edition GhostStrats MiniTrekker and Spectre Pro from Spec5. I'm a big fan of Spec5 for their beginner-friendly gadgets, and in this video, I'm going to show you how beginner-friendly it actually is. The Trekker is the most entry-level gadget that they have, and the Spectre Pro is one of my favorites. These gadgets are perfect for people that want to get into Meshtastic and off-grid communications, but they don't want to deal with DIYs, and they want just a premium product ready to go out of the box. Skip ahead to the timestamp below to skip the unboxing. And that's it for the unboxing. So the Spectre Pro is like having any Android phone with a Meshtastic gadget connected to the back. No need to connect this Meshtastic gadget to your phone because there's a dedicated phone attached to the device to use it. Now the Trekker is a Meshtastic gadget with a battery attached to it, and it's already pre-configured. So all you have to do is open the Meshtastic app and connect the device, and you're ready to start talking. Now the Spectre Pro is one of my daily drivers currently. To the right is my old daily driver. I'm already replacing it with the GhostStrats Edition one. But I do notice that the case has some minor improvements to it, and they also sent me an upgraded 915 megahertz antenna, which fits the device perfectly. The ones I bought on Amazon didn't fit the device right, so they ended up sending me this upgraded antenna, which is available on their website. Now for the MiniTrekker, this is the entry-level Spec5 gadget. It's a ready-to-go Meshtastic device with GPS and off-grid messaging and location sharing. It comes with a rechargeable battery. It comes pre-configured, so you don't need to set it up at all. Has a built-in carabiner, and it has a really nice durable case. All you have to do with this device out of box is to open your Meshtastic app and then connect to it, and that's it. You don't even have to configure the region. It's ready to go after that. So let's demonstrate how easy it is to set up these devices. So I just turned the device on. I'm going to launch the Meshtastic app. I'm going to change the theme of this and the settings to dark because I cannot stand the brightness. Now I'm going to turn on the Meshtastic device on the back. And then the phone is already set up to connect to that device as soon as you turn it on. And once it does, you'll be able to type and send messages. So I'm going to show you the setup process on the other Spectre. Turn the device on, turn the Meshtastic device on the back, open up the app, and just click messaging, and you're ready to go. So I'm going to send my GhostStrats message. You're going to see it pop up on here. Now I want to send a message back. So type in a whole bunch of random things here for demonstration purposes. And that's it. So all you did was turn the phone on, open up the app, and that's it. So now for the MiniTrekker, you're going to need to connect it to your phone for the first time with a Meshtastic app. You're going to go ahead and click on the device. It's going to pop up with a little pin you need to put in. Put that pin in. Once you do that, you're ready to start communicating with Meshtastic. You don't even need to select the region. That's already set for you. And the next time you try to connect to your phone, it should just automatically connect to the device because you already paired it once. Now the MiniTrekker is $69.99, and 5% of that goes toward helping my channel. Really do appreciate the support. And the same thing goes for the Spectre Pro. That device comes in around $200, and again, 5% of that sale for the GhostStrats edition will go toward helping my channel. This video is sponsored by Spec5. They did an awesome job setting this up, and the color purple is perfect. I recommend checking out their other products. They have a lot of robust, rugged tools, as well as things like Meshtastic drones. And I'm going to be releasing the background that I have for the Spectre that fits perfectly with the GhostStrats logo. I'll be putting that on my GitHub and in my Proton shared drive. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.